ng budget proposal. Yung budget proposal nila consolidated into what we call the National Expenditure Program. Yung National Expenditure Program na yan, usually, that's submitted by the President to Congress, particularly the lower house, within 30 days after the opening of session of Congress. Yung para madali matandaan, within 30 days after the SONA, kasi pag SONA, nandiyan yung Presidente, sinasubmit yung budget. So, President submits the budget to the House of Representatives, usually the Speaker and the Secretary General receive that, then i-schedule yan for first reading. Yun yung tinatawag na first reading. First reading, i-refer yan ng Committee on Rules doon sa Committee on Appropriations. Yung Committee on Appropriations, yun yung in charge sa budget.